AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So connect with Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and the prop firm right here and sign up with these brokers if and when you are going to trade with my signals separately in a separate account. Don't mix anything. So I'll tell you in the Telegram why and when you can start. So do all of that, subscribe, like, coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. And also you can use this AUDUSD analysis if you trade NZDUSD as well, because I do not record separate videos for NZDUSD. So use the same analysis for NZDUSD as well. Starting with the weekly, we had been up and then this week by Wednesday, we have blue candle in weekly. We are still in the uptrend, but I think we might start going down. Okay, so weekly doesn't tell you what's happening tomorrow. For that, let's go to daily chart. In daily chart, I told you, I think when I recorded this video, last AUDUSD video, I told you this red candle has eaten the previous blue candle, so probably will go down. So it was a pullback and then again new lows created. Then this is a pullback and tomorrow we might go down again. Okay, time will tell, 4 hour will tell. So looks like we might be going down until the EMI. So let's see. In 4 hour, what do we have? In 4 hour, we have crossed below the EMA and this was kind of double bottom. More confirmation from 2 hour you can see here. So this was the double bottom. So if I use my line, sorry. Hang on guys, delete this, use my line, and this is it. There you go. Okay, so this low was not broken by this red candle in 2 hours. So this turned out to be a double bottom and then we took a reversal. But after the reversal, we have the rejection and this red candle in 2 hour. Okay, so yeah, this could be the start of a new downtrend because the dollar news has just come right now when I recorded the video. There was some federal rate thing, something like that. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, this was the uptrend. Now we are right on the edge of the EMA and either we will go long or short. Okay. I am expecting dollar to come in the uptrend officially in next few days. Few days means here maybe maximum 3-4 business days. We dollar will be officially in the uptrend. Okay. I'll confirm that maybe on Sunday if the dollar is in the uptrend officially or not. But for now, what you should do with AUD or NZDUSD is that 4 hour is right here. So if this previous low is broken, which probably will be broken, so you should take shorts, okay? And if this high is broken, then take long after each pullback. I strongly doubt that the high will be broken. Personally, I think we are going short. We are going for downtrend in AUDUSD now. It might be a medium term downtrend, not for long, but if this red candle is broken by this 4 hour candle, which is gonna end in next 2 hours, in that case, wait for the pullback and then go short. Okay. Because the reason is I'm expecting dollar to go up, which means AUD will come down. Anyways, this is what I have for you. If this high is broken, enter long after pullback. If this low is broken, enter short. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, do all of that, and check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video.